Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to verify your identity in MoonPay. So if you also want to verify your identity on MoonPay, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open your MoonPay application. You can see over here MoonPay is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now on your home page, you'll be able to find the option for start verification. Since I'd already started verifying my account, I'm being able to see the option for continue verification. But instead of that, you'll be able to see the option for start verification. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the get started button that you can see at the bottom. When you start verifying your account, first of all, you might have to enter the basic details like your first name, last name, date of birth and nationality. After you enter it, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to select if you're a resident of USA or not. Simply tap on the option that is suitable for you. Now tap on the continue option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. First of all, select the country where your ID document was issued. Simply tap on the country option that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to see all the countries. Simply tap on the country of your choice. If you cannot find your country right over here, tap on the search bar. Now type in the country name. Now that country will appear over here. Simply tap on it. Now select your document type. You can see three options over here: ID card, passport and driver license. Tap on the option that is most suitable for you. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to click the photo of your document. Now after clicking the photo of the document, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here: document is readable, retake photo. All you have to do is tap on the option document is readable. Now you'll also have to click the photo of backside of the document. Simply click the photo. Again, tap on the option document is readable. Now the photo of your document is uploading. Make sure the information from your document can be read. The data should be visible and clear. Also ensure that you selected the right document type and country. After you submit the photo of your document, you can proceed to other steps. Simply follow through the prompts and after that your identity will be verified. So that is how you verify identity on MoonPay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.